Top 5 Myths About Septic Tanks. Solid Breakdown Debunked. Septic systems are vital for homes without municipal sewage, yet many homeowners believe myths about how solids break down inside the tank. Misunderstanding septic tanks' solid breakdown can lead to poor maintenance and costly issues. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the top 5 myths clarified. 1. Myth: chemicals improve breakdown. Harsh cleaners, bleach, and additives kill the natural bacteria that handle solid decomposition. Instead of helping, they slow down the process and damage the system. 2. Myth: septic tanks never need pumping. Even with active bacteria, solids don't fully disappear. Over time, sludge builds up and must be pumped out every 3 to 5 years to prevent backups. 3. Myth: adding yeast or food scraps helps. Throwing yeast, meat, or kitchen leftovers into the tank does not boost bacteria. These add unnecessary waste and can create foul odors or blockages. 4. Myth: garbage disposals are safe. Food particles from disposals break down slowly. They overload the tank with solids, forcing more frequent pumping and reducing efficiency. 5. Myth: all solids completely decompose. Not everything breaks down in a septic tank. Residual solids remain and must be removed mechanically to keep the drain field safe and functional. Septic tank solid breakdown depends on natural bacteria, not shortcuts or quick fixes. Believing myths can shorten system life and increase repair costs. The best approach is simple: pump regularly, avoid chemical overload, and practice mindful waste habits. This ensures your septic system runs efficiently for years to come. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.